Think luxury in New York means spending a fortune? Not quite. Today, I'm taking you inside 3 stylish 4-star hotels where you can enjoy chic comfort without draining your wallet. Number 1. The Standard, Highline, New York. First up, the Standard, Highline. If you've seen photos of glass towers rising over the trendy Meatpacking District, you've probably seen this hotel. Perched above the Highline Park, it offers floor-to-ceiling windows with sweeping views of the Hudson River and downtown skyline. Rooms average between $250 and $350 per night, which is considered a steal compared to other luxury hotels in this area. Guests on TripAdvisor often rave about the rooftop bar, Le Bain, where summer nights feel straight out of a New York movie. The Standard isn't just a hotel, it's an experience, perfect for couples or solo travelers who want nightlife at their doorstep. Number 2. Kixby Hotel. Next is Kixby Hotel, tucked right in Midtown near Herald Square. It's a boutique-style property that blends old New York charm with modern design. Step into the lobby and you'll notice a cozy, almost residential feel. Dark woods, leather seating, and warm lighting. Rooms usually fall between $200 and $280 per night, making it one of the best value stays for its location. Guests praise its comfortable beds and the rooftop lounge, which has a killer view of the Empire State Building. Families especially appreciate that it's just steps away from Macy's, Madison Square Garden, and multiple subway lines, easy access for sightseeing without long commutes. Number 3. Hotel Indigo Brooklyn of New York. And then there's Hotel Indigo Brooklyn, part of the IHG chain. Located in downtown Brooklyn, this hotel brings a more local neighborhood vibe, away from the Manhattan crowds but still just one subway stop away. With average rates around $180 to $250 per night, it's the most budget-friendly option on our list. Guests highlight the stylish, modern interiors and friendly staff, though rooms are on the smaller side, as is common in New York. Urbanis traveling on a tighter budget love this spot, since Brooklyn offers great restaurants, parks, and a slightly slower pace than Midtown Manhattan. So, which hotel was best for you? Want iconic skyline views and nightlife? Choose the Standard, Highline. Prefer central convenience with boutique charm? Go for Kixby Hotel. Traveling with family on a budget but still want style? Hotel Indigo Brooklyn is your winner. New York doesn't have to be out of reach if you know where to stay. Which of these hotels would you pick for your next trip? Drop your choice in the comments and don't forget to hit subscribe for more insider travel and hotel guides.
If you need help booking your flights, accommodation, transportation, or even travel insurance or home and auto insurance, I've got you covered. Just send me an email at hello@abdulconnects.com or visit abdulconnects.com. Let's make your trip seamless from start to finish.